What's up, traders? It is I, Matt, your host of Conservative Trades, and welcome back to the second day. This is the second day of the launch of my brand new day trading YouTube channel. And unfortunately, it's another red day. For those of you who tuned in yesterday, first of all, by the way, if you have not tuned into this yet, and this is the first time you're seeing this, I do trade on YouTube. I live stream my trades Monday through Friday, beginning around 9 a.m. I get in with you guys just to go over some pre-market research and that sort of thing and kind of come up with a trading plan. And then 9:30, when the market opens, I start trading. And you are more than welcome to come and watch those trades. Again, that's Monday through Friday, usually beginning around 9 a.m. And for those of you who were with me yesterday, or if you got to check out the daily recap video from yesterday, you'll know that I had a red day yesterday. And I tell you what, it really is frustrating that it had to be the week that I start my day trading channel, where I am basically here to demonstrate a what I consider to be a pretty solid trading strategy. It's a trading strategy that I've tested many times, and it's proven to be very profitable. And it just so happens to be that the week that I start launching this channel, we have just a very slow and choppy market. Okay, and now this probably isn't anything new to those of you who are already avid day traders, and if you follow a lot of the big time day trading professional gurus out there, if you go and track with their YouTube channels, you've seen stuff like this. You've seen even the most professional traders go through choppy market conditions like this, and you've seen them do their own red day recaps, and you've watched them barely break even and even lose money in choppy market conditions just like this. So this is nothing new to you guys. But for those of you who are not too familiar with day trading and you're getting involved with it, listen, I know this does not look very good right now. I'm not really making a good case for myself in my trading strategy this week. But look, here's the reality of it, guys. This is the market. This is how the stock market works. And there are definitely days where, excuse me, there are definitely days where you come into the markets and they're just like this. There's not a lot of volume. There's not a lot of liquidity. A lot of the trading is, or a lot of the stocks have a pretty big spread in them. In other words, it could be a 20, 30, 40 cent spread between the bid and the ask. And a lot of the times, these in these market conditions, when there's not a lot of action going on, it can be almost like playing chess against the computer, because you've got a lot of these algorithmic trading bots that are just kind of plugged in here. A lot of them come from these major financial institutions around the world, and it's really hard to compete. It's really hard to compete. And the best thing that you can do in these market conditions is just try to keep your head above the water. Don't trade too much. Don't overtrade, and just keep your losses small. And so, that's what I was able to do today. Now, I was not able to do that yesterday, just because yesterday it was a rookie mistake. I accidentally bought in too many shares as I was averaging in to a stock that was moving against me, and it was a hotkey error. When you day trade, you can program your keyboard, your computer keyboard, and you can program in a lot of different key combinations to buy and sell really quickly. And I had accidentally bought too many shares yesterday, and so of course I had that big loss that I had to wrestle with pretty much all day long. And yesterday was just a bad day altogether. And I'll tell you what, it's so ironic. It's so ironic that as I'm coming in here to prove to you guys or demonstrate to you guys a profitable trading strategy, the very week of, we just so happen to be going through choppy market conditions. I just so happened to make a rookie mistake with my hotkeys, and I mean, it's just been all over the place. I'm already nervous as it is, just because I've never live traded in front of anybody. And so I'm already just kind of a little nervous about that. But guys, it really doesn't matter at this point. I mean, I can handle this kind of a loss. $120 is not much. But you can go through days like this, and you'll know as you get into day trading, for those of you who plan on getting into day trading, and even for those of you who have been in day trading, and again, you've watched all the other day trading gurus out there, you'll know that we can take losses like this day after day after day, sometimes several days in a row. But that one day that the market opens up and there's a lot of volatility, there's a lot of action, chart patterns are playing out more to what you would expect them to. When that starts to happen and your strategy starts working in your favor, you can make big profits that will more than make up for all of these losses. And so that's the name of the game. You want to preserve your capital, or you want to preserve your capital, excuse me, and you want to do your best to just stay in it. You want to stay in it, and you want to be able to come back and live to trade another day. And it's all about just forming a strategy that you can prove, a strategy that works, and just trading that strategy, sticking to your rules, staying disciplined. And even though you may lose several days in a row, the day that the strategy actually comes through for you is going to be a pretty glorious day. And you'll find out right then and there that that's what day trading is all about. It's not about being right all the time. It's not about profiting every single day. It's about keeping your losses small and just living to trade another day, so that the day that you come in the market and your strategy does work, you'll make bank and you'll more than make up for the losses. And so, again, that's the name of the game. Keep your capital, stay in the game, and hopefully I will finally be able to start proving that to you guys. So bear with me as we just kind of mull through all of this stuff and kind of get our bearings here. Bear with me as we get through this choppy market week. Tomorrow's another day. We've got 3 days left in the week. We've got Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. And it's very possible that come tomorrow, the volume and the momentum will start picking back up. And Lord willing, we'll start bringing in some profits. So appreciate you guys watching. I'll see you then. Take care.